Ooh, it's a nice frosty January morning here at the Tiki 71 house. Hey everybody, welcome in. Jungle Jerry here. We're going to do a little engine bay beautification upgrade today. Come on in and let me show you what I've got planned here. Now this is going to be a quick and easy upgrade to the shock tower. Your shocks are actually under these, they call this the shock tower right here. Your shocks are underneath here and you got these little black caps on here. What I'm going to do today is pop these off. I've got some chrome ones that we're going to put on, a quick and easy thing, and let me show you how to do it here. I just got a neat little three-piece fender cover protector from the Amazon fairies. God, they're so good to me. I'm always finding stuff at my front door. It's just fantastic. Three-piece set, and it's got the little hooks. I had a little cheap one from the auto parts store, and the dead gum thing just kept blowing off in the wind and all that. These have actually got hooks on here, so we can keep it where we want it there. So I'm going to put these on. First things first. Yeah, I like these things. These are nice. Got a little magnet on here as well. The only thing you're going to need for this assembly, get you a microfiber cloth and a screwdriver or a removal tool. Socket, 13 millimeter, maybe an extender if you like, and then your chrome parts. And we're just using this microfiber. I've got gloves on because I'm going to be handling the chrome, but we're just going to lay this towel down here so that we can get in underneath here and kind of pry this thing up. Your plastic dome cover is actually resting on the 3 bolts. And so we're just going to pry those off. There. And I am going to keep these. I keep everything that I take off and upgrade. That way I could always return it back to stock. Now all we have to do is pop our screws off here. Always make note of how tight they are. That way you can get them on, back on. I'm able to take it off with one hand. So once you got your screws off, we're just going to set this down on here. And you may have to bend this a little bit. But now it's just a matter of putting the screws back on. The instructions for these mention this cutout here, and it's actually designed to face the back. So we can go ahead and take off our little protective covering here and then pop this bad boy on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull these tabs out just a little bit. That way I'll have a good connection here. I want it to lip inside of this here. We'll hook it on one side and bring it over. And there we go. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Let me get the other one done and I will show you what they both look like. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Quick and easy. But guys, I hope you found this helpful. Quick and easy little project for a quick little upgrade and beautification of the engine bay. I will have a link down below to the 3-piece fender covers and also to the shock tower chrome domes. Chrome domes, yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm doing a bunch of upgrades to the vehicle, so be sure and subscribe. Check out my playlist on it. Today, after I get this done, I'm actually going to take all the wheels off. I'm putting rock guards, the mud guards, the little ones for the Challenger, and I'm doing a pedal commander upgrade to the throttle system. I was able to get my best 0 to 60 time on this V6 with all the traffic going by. Down to around 5.7 is my best. I've got the ported throttle body, I've got a throttle body spacer, I've got the K&N air intake system, and I'm doing videos on all of this stuff. So be sure and subscribe, check out my playlists, and if you have any questions, post them down in the comments below. It also really helps us if you share the video. YouTube loves that. It helps with the algorithm, and somehow I've got 48,000 subscribers, and sometimes I've only, after 24 hours, maybe I have 200 views, so that really does help. We appreciate it. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Now that's what I call a quick and easy upgrade.